Thinking about starting your own business? It's an exciting journey, but it can also be challenging. Here are 10 essential tips that will set you on the path to success. Tip 1. Start with a solid business plan. Outline your goals, target market, and financial projections. This plan will serve as your roadmap. Tip 2. Understand your market. Research your industry, know your competitors, and get clear on what makes your business unique. Tip 3. Build a strong brand. Your brand is more than just a logo, it's the personality of your business. Make sure it resonates with your target audience. Tip 4. Secure financing. Whether it's through savings, investors, or loans, ensure you have enough capital to start and sustain your business. Tip 5. Focus on customer experience. Your customers are your most valuable asset. Deliver exceptional service to keep them coming back. Tip 6. Embrace digital marketing. In today's world, an online presence is crucial. Leverage social media, SEO, and email marketing to reach your audience. Tip 7. Stay organized. Keep track of your finances, schedules, and inventory. Organization is key to running a smooth operation. Tip 8. Build a support network. Surround yourself with mentors, peers, and advisors who can offer guidance and support. Tip 9. Be ready to adapt. The business landscape changes constantly. Stay flexible and be prepared to pivot when necessary. Tip 10. Believe in yourself. Starting a business is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay confident, stay determined, and trust in your vision. Starting a business is one of the most rewarding things you can do. Keep these tips in mind and you'll be on your way to success. Visit our website at captivateddesigns.com for more business building tips. Let's turn your business dreams into reality.